Hello everyone, welcome to a new video. If you're new here, I'm Kelsey, my Yorkie Céline. We like fashion and we love handbags. If you do too, definitely hit subscribe and let's jump into this video. So if you clicked on the video today, you are obviously here for a couple of unboxings. So I actually went yesterday to City Center really briefly. I didn't vlog anything because I literally went to pick up these few items and then I had to come back and do my horseback riding lessons. If you're new here, I ride horses. I do have a whole other channel that focuses just on that, just so that I don't steer any of my fashion viewers off track or anything like that. I just would like to keep them a little bit more separately. So if you're missing some of the horse content, I have that on a new channel. If I remember when I'm editing, I will put that in the description for you guys, but if any of you are wondering like where all the horse content went, it's over somewhere else. It's strictly dedicated to equestrian content, fitness content, things like that, whereas we're still more geared towards Céline, my dog, and our love for fashion over here. So just wanted to throw that out there before I got started into this video. So anyways, like I said, I went and picked up these items very quickly before I had to come back for riding lessons. So I didn't vlog or anything. So there's no vlog coming for like a city center shopping day or anything like that. It was a beautiful day. I would have loved to stay, but I also love going to lessons. So I thought I would unbox some of these items with you. So my first set of items is from Longchamp. So I, as you guys know, like to think about my purchases for a while before I get them, very particularly for bags. So there are 2 bags in here. Again, it's not a huge thing buying some of the items from Longchamp just because they're more everyday items. They're not anything as grand as like an Hermes bag or a Chanel bag or anything like that. But I still like to think about it before I purchase, so that I know it's what I want, it's what I'm gonna use, it's what I'm gonna wanna keep. Because as much as I will go and sell an item if I genuinely don't wear it, I don't like doing it. It's an inconvenience to me, and it kind of makes me a little bit upset with myself because I went and spent money on something that I'm not even gonna use. So anyways, I spent time thinking about these. One of these I made a whole video about. Well, actually both of these I made whole videos about, but one of them I made a whole complaint video about. So if you watch that video, you probably know what one of these items is. But let's go ahead and jump into it. So I actually have an Evian and 2 samples from Hermes. So we'll jump into those in a second. They didn't have any big bags, so I got them both in this smaller bag. I always love Longchamp's packaging though. So let's start with the larger item here. Absolutely love all of their packaging. I love how it's not even like a huge box. It's just this beautiful little like envelope maybe, with a beautiful green bow. I love this dark green. Green is my favorite color. Not particularly the dark green, but I still love green overall. Alright, so I'm just doing it this way. It's not overly aesthetic. And then the bow, I guess the ribbon, comes through the top of this like envelope box. Okay. And I love this line. Here is the first bag. So I know you guys have already seen my Pollen videos, like my Pollen unboxing, reveal, pros and cons, my first like few months in review. But I know with my most recent review video for my Pollen bag, I had mentioned that it's smaller, it doesn't have as much space, and I just don't reach for it as much. I still absolutely love it. I would not return it or get rid of it, but I do need a work bag that has the space that I want and that's comfortable to wear. You guys have also seen my videos for my Louis Vuitton Never Fulls. Absolutely love all of those bags. Would not get rid of them or trade them for the world. However, they're still not nearly as comfortable as these Longchamp Le Pliage bags. So I have a red one and a navy blue one, and I wanted to finally get myself a brown one. So here it is. She is beautiful. This is in the cognac color. I was debating getting the paper color, but fall is coming. If I'm really, really in a mood about getting the paper color, I'll go and get it probably in the spring, but this is perfect for fall and winter. So I got this in the large size, and the green kind of throws me off, but it's okay. We'll live with it. We will live with it. So here she is. Like I said, this is the cognac, and this is the large size of the Longchamp Le Pliage original. Oh my goodness. Okay. And it has silver hardware. My other two bags only have gold, so I'm excited about that. And the interior is light. Not that I don't like that the interior is dark on my navy bag, but I don't know. I kind of like the light interior, and so it's just a regular open Le Pliage bag with the back pocket. The back pocket in the newer one actually looks a little bit bigger, which is nice. Really nice. I can fit a lot more stuff in there. And then it has the classic Longchamp logo on the front in the matching cognac color, and then obviously the front flap that clips onto the button. And then the button is still here on the back for storage. If you wear Longchamp bags, you know the drill, but I'm super excited to wear this for fall. I'm super excited to wear this every day. I have plenty of outfits that I will just mismatch with my blue or burgundy Longchamp bags because I love wearing them so much. And I was just like, you know what? I need to just break down and get a brown one. So here she is. Absolutely love this bag, and I can't wait to wear it with a bunch of different outfits. I can't wait to wear it to the barn if I feel like wearing it to the barn. Yeah, this is going to be great for fall. So this is the first bag. The second bag is here, and as soon as I pull it out, you guys are going to know probably at least what kind of bag it is. It's a little mini. I guess technically it's not categorized as a bag, but it's going to be a bag. So anyways, let's unbox this together. And my normal sales associate, she was there. I was super excited to see her, and she's always the absolute sweetest. Everyone in there is super nice, by the way. So if you do happen to visit City Center at some point, definitely go stop into the Longchamp store. They are super, super nice. So anyways, here is the second one. So like I said, I made a whole complaint video about this, but not this one in particular, but just in general. So this is the Longchamp Le Pliage mini pouch in paper. So again, this is the paper color that I was going to originally get this bag in. Just envision this bag in this color, but because it's fall's coming, I figured the cognac would actually be a little bit better. So I ended up saying, well, since I got the bag, the larger bag in the cognac, I can get the mini in the paper color. So this is super cute. I ended up getting this one. So in my complaint video, it was about the newer leather collection coming out being what it is. I'm not going to go through that again. I can link it in the description if you would like to see it, but if not, it's definitely on my channel. But my annoyance was around them no longer selling the coated canvas. Fully discontinued at that point, so I'm kind of disappointed that I missed out on it. But anyways, I still like the regular recycled canvas version of this pouch, and it is super cute. I'm really excited to use it. I have one brown crossbody, and that is my Palm Springs mini, which a lot of times I end up wearing it like a backpack, especially if I'm walking around DC, but I like having like a little bag. And then I love that you can put like little rodeos and twillies and things like that and just dress it up. I did get the straps off of Amazon to make this into a crossbody bag, so I'm super excited about it. Again, I couldn't wait any longer, so I ended up just breaking down and getting it. Am I annoyed that the whole situation with the leather bags and the coated canvas and all that good stuff? Yes, it is a little annoying, but I think I'm going to get a lot of use out of this, again, especially as fall is vastly approaching, which is a good thing because I don't like doing lessons in almost 100-degree weather. Anyways, this is the second bag. I cannot wait to fill it. We're gonna have plenty of videos styling both of these bags and filling them, especially this one, because I love testing the capacity of mini bags. So we're gonna have some fun with this one and the other one, but especially this one. And then I have got a rodeo. I have the straps. I don't have a twilly yet, so I'm trying to find a really pretty one for fall. So if any of you have any recommendations, I would greatly appreciate that. But for now, here she is in her most natural state. The next item I have, and I guess final item that I am going to unbox with you today, is from Hermes, a shocker. So I had a really nice essay, which was, they're usually pretty nice in that store. I'm not even going to sit here and act like they're not nice. They're usually super nice. He was just super, I guess, personable. I don't know. I had a really good time. It was pretty empty, so we didn't really have to wait long to get helped. But he did, like I said, I have my Evian from in there that I didn't even end up getting to drink before we left. And then he did give us samples because I went with my mom. He gave us samples of Belania. Oh, basically it's their new cologne that's coming out. So yeah, it is definitely strong. It's like it's got like a cedar wood undertone to it. It doesn't smell bad, and you can see inside what it says. If you guys just look, that's what it looks like. So I cannot remember what date he said that. Ooh, I can't remember what date he said these were dropping, but he said that these are the new colognes that are coming out. To be honest, I don't follow the men's collection and the men's items as much as I do the women's. Nothing against the men's, I don't use the men's items, so I don't follow it as much. Oh my goodness, sorry. Let's put this down. But I believe it's in like the next 2 to 3 weeks that these are going to be dropping. So if you or you know someone that wears Hermes cologne, the Balvenia cologne is coming out in a couple of weeks. So that's pretty cool. Now back to what we're here for. I love that he has the sticker over the bag because they usually don't put the sticker over it unless it's new, or I just have had times where they just don't put the sticker over the bag. I don't know. Anyways, here is my receipt little booklet, and here is my item. I absolutely adore the packaging. It is the original Twilly perfume. So I ran out of my lovely, trusty, to die for Chanel perfume. I still, even right now, purchasing this, I still feel like I'm cheating on Chanel because I wear Chanel nonstop. But I went in and I smelled this, and it smells so good, and it's a lighter scent. So my mom has asthma and she has really bad allergies, and I'm usually with my mom. So I don't like to wear stronger perfumes around her, and I know like the Chanel perfumes that I wear, it's light enough, but it's still like strong. So it still like bothers her asthma and her allergies and everything. So I was like, okay, I like the, oh my gosh, I'm drawing a blank. I'm just gonna put the name on the screen because I'm drawing a blank for the Hermes perfume that I wanted. It's the one that you probably see everywhere. That's probably the first Hermes perfume you think of when you think of Hermes perfume. But they had all the Twillies. So I was like, let me just smell them and see if I like them. And this one was like the lightest one. So I was like, I think this one actually could be good because I do like to wear it. Like if I don't like the smell of it at all, I just won't even buy it because I'm not going to wear it. But this one actually smelled good and it was a really light scent. So I'm going to pull this off and I'll insert a picture because I don't plan on, maybe I'll use it later today, but I'll insert a picture of what the bottle looks like. This is the 85 milliliter bottle. But here's the packaging. I'm just going to move this up so that you can see what it looks like. It's super colorful, super pretty, very classic Hermes. And obviously, I wanted everything in the store, especially the puffer coats because they are the perfect length for riding. That's here, neither here nor there. I'll get it eventually. But and while we're here, I did end up trying on the Shipries because I know I had my summer wish list video that went up a few months ago, and I did end up trying on the Shipries, and they look so huge on my feet. Like it's not even like attractive. So I'm glad I tried them on before buying them or anything. But I ended up just getting some perfume, and I'm sure I'll go back for something else to unbox for you all. So that is my full unboxing for yesterday's shopping fun. Again, I'm sorry I don't have a shopping vlog because I just wasn't there for more than like 45 minutes to an hour, and we were just picking things up and then getting back on the road. So if you really want a shopping vlog, I know I'll be there sooner than later, or in Georgetown or something. So if you would like a shopping vlog, just let me know. But that is my full unboxing for today from City Center in DC. Highly recommend if you've never been. It's not some place that you would spend like an entire day, but it's definitely worth it, especially if you're gonna like sit down and eat and everything and just kind of explore the city. It's a good place to stop off. So thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely hit like. If you would like to see more, certainly hit subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.